Today, we'll be talking about the cons of using Oracle JDK as the Java JDK for IntelliJ IDEA. Now, please share this video on all your social media platforms. Oracle JDK is a widely used JDK for Java development, and many developers use it for Kotlin as well. However, there are some cons to using Oracle JDK as your Java JDK for IntelliJ IDEA, which we'll discuss in this video. So let's dive in. Number 1. Licensing. Oracle JDK is no longer free for commercial use. This means that if you are using Oracle JDK for commercial reasons, you may have to pay for a license. This could be a significant cost for small businesses or individuals. Additionally, Oracle may change the terms of its license agreement in the future, making it difficult for developers to continue using Oracle JDK without paying a fee. This is a significant con for using Oracle JDK, as it adds an additional cost to the development process. It is also a concern for developers who do not want to use a JDK with uncertain licensing terms. Number 2. Security. Oracle JDK has had several security vulnerabilities in the past. Although Oracle has been quick to release patches, these vulnerabilities still pose a risk to your system and your data. By using Oracle JDK, you are exposing your system to potential security threats. This is a serious concern, as security vulnerabilities can compromise the security of the system, leading to data loss or theft. As Kotlin is a popular language for developing critical applications, such as banking or healthcare applications, security is of utmost importance. Number 3. Performance. Oracle JDK can be slow and resource-intensive, which can affect application development and deployment times. These performance issues can be attributed to the software's architecture, which is designed to provide maximum flexibility and extensibility, but at the cost of performance. Additionally, the software's garbage collections process can consume a significant amount of memory and CPU resources, leading to slower execution times. Number 4. Compatibility. Different versions of Oracle JDK may not be compatible with certain applications, which can cause problems for developers. For example, if an application is using an older version of Oracle JDK, it may not work properly with a newer version. This can result in increased development time and costs, as developers have to ensure compatibility across different versions of the software. We have now come to the end of the video, so please support the channel by doing the following. Share the video, like the video, hit the bell notification, and leave a comment below stating as to which is the biggest con of Oracle JDK.